Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to import contacts from iCloud to iPhone. So for first open settings on your iPhone, and if you are not already signed in, enter your Apple ID and sign in to iCloud. Now after sign in, tap on next and wait for your iPhone to sign in to iCloud. Now this method is used when you have contacts saved on an old iPhone's iCloud and you want to transfer them to a new iPhone. Ensure you're using the same Apple ID for your old iPhone. Now you'll get an option merge. If you'll sign in, you'll get an option merge. Tap on it. After doing that, enable contact sync. Go to your iCloud, tap on this iCloud, and you'll get this option. You'll get this option see all, tap on it, and make sure contact is turned on. The sync on contact is turned on. So that's it. That's how you will import contact. Thanks for watching.